Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one 28-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes, ideally San Marzano for their sweet, less acidic profile. Also, grab 2 cloves of fresh garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and a small pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of good olive oil, salt, and a half teaspoon of sugar. Now let's get cooking. Begin by crushing your whole peeled tomatoes. You can use your hands for a rustic texture or a food mill for a smoother consistency. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until it's fragrant, but don't let it brown. Stir in the crushed tomatoes, oregano, red pepper flakes, salt, and sugar. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook for 15 minutes. After simmering, taste your sauce and adjust the seasoning. You might want a little more salt, a dash of black pepper, or another half teaspoon of sugar to balance the acidity. If you prefer a smoother sauce, use an immersion blender for just a few seconds to reach your desired consistency. This sauce is perfect for immediate use, or you can store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Here are a few extra tips to elevate your pizza sauce. For an even fresher taste, stir in a handful of torn fresh basil leaves right before serving. If you're feeling adventurous, a splash of dry red wine added during the simmering stage can deepen the flavor profile beautifully. This homemade sauce truly makes a difference. Also, for easy meal prep and storage, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.